I've come to realize that when people talk about beauty, they often think it is reserved for the young, but this amazing 77-year-old grandmother reminds us that beauty has no age limit. Just take a look at her at 77, she still looks healthy, full of life, and confident. That's the word. And one of the first things you will notice is a natural gray hair. And instead of trying to hide it, Granny says, no, I am going to rock this hair. And a big shout out to the stylist who made Granny look so beautiful. Another unique thing about her hair is that she only has hair at the center of her scalp. Probably Granny is still trying to, do the girls thing. Many people in a similar situation might feel discouraged or think they can no longer wear beautiful hairstyles. But a skilled stylist like this made the work look as if there is nothing, absolutely nothing special about, creating something unique. And now to the second hairstyle. This is a stylist showing us perfectly how you can actually do stitch braids. And this thing of, fixing one nail to do your stitch braids has become a norm amid stylists. I just wonder how they cope in the kitchen having just one nail horn. Okay, but what makes this video different isn't just about the final result of this hair. It's the incredible attention to details throughout the entire braiding process of the stitch braids. And instead of rushing through the hairstyle, the stylist took time to carefully demonstrate every important steps. And this makes the video valuable not only for clients looking for hairstyle inspiration, but also for beginners and experienced stylists who want to improve on their skills. We could notice that the process began by cleaning with clean sessions. Like I used to tell us, that whenever you want to make a new hairstyle, make sure your hair is purely as in totally washed, cleaned. Your scalp is fresh, because if you do not make a new hair on your fresh scalp, there is tendency that hair will not stay long, except you just want it 2 days or 24 hours hair. Okay, so and as you continue watching, you will notice how each line is straight and evenly spaced. You will notice how she uses even not a cutting comb but a tail comb to do this hair and still got a perfect stitch. That level of precision doesn't happen by accident. It comes from a place of patience, a place of constant practicing and paying attention to every small detail. And that is what stitch braids is all about, if you ask me. Now the stylist begins creating the signature stitch pattern and the curves. Instead of making one continuous braid, she carefully fits in small sections into braid at equal intervals. And that is what stitch braids is all about. This evenly spaced section creates a beautiful stitch effect that gives this hairstyle its own name. And one thing that stands out is also how gentle the stylist is braiding. The hair is held firmly enough to create clean braids, but not so tightly that it causes unnecessary tension on the scalp. And that is what a good hairstylist, the qualities a good hairstylist should have. That's a sign of a professional stylist who understands that a beautiful hairstyle should be comfortable. Another impressive detail is the consistency. Every braid maintains the same size from beginning to the end, except the one that has a style at the sides of the hair. And that's a sign of a professional stylist who understands that a beautiful hairstyle should not only be comfortable, but also rhyme together. The spacing between each stitch remains even, creating a uniform look. Can you see that? Well, I've come to the end of today's commentary, and I'll see you guys in the next one.